This will be a screencast review of our Project 4. One of the easiest things this week was implementing the custom theme using Theme Roller by jQuery Mobile. Part of the assignment that was most difficult probably carried over from last week. Had some issues saving to local storage and had to do a couple workarounds. And a lot of research on that, but that ended up working out fine, as I'll show you in a few minutes. So that was probably the hardest thing, was getting local storage working, as well as just updating the code to accept the theme and get it all working correctly. Part of the assignment that was most difficult probably carried over from last week. Had some issues saving to local storage and had to do a couple workarounds. And a lot of research on that, but that ended up working out fine, as I'll show you in a few minutes. So that was probably the hardest thing, was getting local storage working, as well as just updating the code to accept the theme and get it all working correctly. Information that I used from previous courses was implementing the logo to fit and get it looking right from Mobile Media Design 1 and 2. And information I researched to help with this project was a course on lynda.com. I didn't necessarily do the whole thing, but I did one of the sections on Theme Roller, just to kind of get a little bit better understanding of it and implement that a little bit easier. One of my aha moments was basically just following directions instead of trying to jump ahead and do things like I know what I'm doing, because I actually had an issue with Theme Roller and it being implemented into my project, because I kind of took what I learned from Lynda and did it that way rather than what Theme Roller itself was telling me to do, so I wasn't linking it properly. I don't know if the course was dated on lynda.com or what. But when I pulled up the index from the downloaded file, it had all the information right there, so that was a little bit of a headache. But the aha was just read the instructions and follow them. What I did with my app was kind of like a minty kind of color, and I just realized now that I forgot to resize my CTA, so I'll have to do that before I turn this in to get this properly fitting on the screen. But as you can see here, the main design is obviously what it is, and then when you go to add a memory, I got kind of the darker feel, but still with a nice light green minty color, to where you can go and save whatever you want. As you can see, the custom theme, and then if you save the memory, apparently I had an error and I didn't fill out something, like my name field. So there you go, same page error message is working. So if you put something there as well as a date, then go back down and try to save again, and your memory is safe, so it's saving your local storage perfectly. And something I implemented here that I haven't fully integrated because I don't have my JavaScript working properly, but I made it to where this will be the recent memories. Obviously, if you do it from any screen, you can go and pull up all your memories and search for whatever it is you're looking for, or you can just browse through the most recent ones and then delete individual memories, and obviously it has a pop-up to confirm, and then if you wanted to edit it, it would take you back to the form, which is not actually populating right now, but that is the intention, and that's where it leads to now. So with that, I tried to make my logo in the middle nice and simple. So the back button and everything works properly. I also wanted to implement the panel slide out, so that's something I'll be continuing to work on. But for the time being, I thought the logo in the middle worked out perfectly. So thanks, guys, and you guys have a great weekend. It's been a great month, and look forward to seeing you in future classes. Take care. Bye.